Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the alpha performance of period indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the alpha performance of period indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 829 indicators, with 337 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 35 of the winning indicators. This one will be the 36th, with 11 of them being able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we do test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the alpha performance of period indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And now I did modify this indicator just slightly, so I didn't really change any of the calculations on this, just change some of the visual kind of aspects of it. And so the original video, or I guess I should say the default way that this indicator is set up is something like this. In the original video, I also did the same modifications to it, and so the default settings, like I said, looks like this right here. And so what I did was I went in and I turned off the labels there, and I upped the opacity of the backgrounds here to 80% and 80% here, like so. And then click on the three little dots here, go to move to and new pane below, and you get this right here where it's down below the price action. Just makes it a tad bit easier to see and a tad bit easier to take the signals when it gives it. I do believe that this indicator has been modified slightly from the first time that we had tested it. Maybe it was updated because in the original testing, when we tested it the first time, it did not have these yellow candles here. And so I thought that was interesting. I believe that these yellow candles are notating a few different things. First of all, I think it notates the switch from the colors from green to red, but I also noticed that there are times when a specific color like green will be kind of displayed for a while, and then you'll see it kind of step up quite notably, not like these kind of mountains here, but an actual like step. And sometimes I think most of the time you'll see the yellow candle accompany that as well. Nonetheless, in the original testing, we tested it basically as a color change. So when it turned green, we were going long. As an example, you can see that we get red here, we get a switch to green, green here, and a nice push to the upside right there. We also get a short right here on this one. Actually, this one as well, we pick up just a slight short, then a switch back to the long, which would have stopped us out, but then we pick up another short and a nice push to the downside there. This was able to, the number of signals was able to do over the 10 signals within the 1 year's time, and so we tested this on the daily time frame with the standard take, profit, and stop. And so that's how we did the advanced testing. What I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve. All right, so that puts us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in those channels. But we do have a channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, one of our members here, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's doing chart analysis, market analysis of the Forex market, marking out areas of support and resistance, marking out areas of interest like these channels and such here, and just a lot of great information. Like I said, he's putting up multiple charts like this pretty much on a daily basis of the Forex market. Some of our other members here are also putting up the charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, doing also market analysis, posting some of the trades that they have taken, and just general conversation taking place, everybody helping everybody out, giving everybody advice, posting really great stuff, links to videos, links to articles. Just a wonderful environment to be a part of. I highly recommend that you join it if you're looking to take the next step in your trading journey. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's get this in focus here. All right, there we go. So 50 trades like normal, 50 trade advanced test, and out of those 50 trades we've got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. That puts us at a 56% win rate. And so this one falls into the same category as we've seen quite a few times before. It just drops right below that 60%, so it's not going to maintain the 60% criteria, so it's not going to stay on the yes list, but it still maintains a rather high win rate, all things considered, just right below that 60% out of the 50 trades. And so interesting that we're seeing this kind of pattern form with these indicators, where a lot, or quite a few of them anyways, are ending up right around this 55 to 60% range on the losing side. But again, another interesting indicator. I definitely think that it has its purposes, not necessarily for maybe an entry indicator, but could very well be used just to identify the overall trend direction in the market, instead of using something like a moving average or something along those lines. It does a really good job of kind of displaying and painting what price action overall is kind of doing. So like I said, an interesting indicator, but unfortunately is going to have to drop to the no side, and we will move on to the next video from here.